Hello guys, so in this tutorial I am going to show you how to convert your USDT to Naira instantly and to receive the Naira payment to your bank account instantly. Because over time, using P2P platforms like Binance, Bybit, P2P, some of them they have a lot of scammers there who will just send you money from stolen accounts, and you sell your BTC or your USDT and you release your coin to the trader, only for you to realize after some few weeks or days that your bank account has been restricted or blocked by your bank because the victim of that money went to complain to the bank, and they have to trace the money to your bank account and block your account. So that is one of the risks of using P2P trading. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a trusted and secure platform, which is not a P2P site. It's just a reputable company that has been in this exchange business for a very long time. If I just go to the platform here, you can see this is the platform Sowget.com. You can just load it on your browser, and the beautiful thing about Sowget.com is that you can sell your USDT instantly, okay? And the rate is still the good rates you get on the P2P platform you get, and the payment is also, in fact, the payment is automatic, okay? It's not really manual, so you get your payment more faster than the P2P traders. And the most important thing is the security of the money you are receiving. It's clean, legit funds from a company account, so there is no fear about your account getting blocked after some time, or the money being charged back by the person that sent it complaint to the banks. If you simply want to trade your USDT, let's say you have your USDT on your crypto exchange platform, it could be Binance, it could be KuCoin, could be Gates.ai, any crypto exchange platform, any platform you have, you can simply withdraw directly from that platform and just deposit it to your Sowget. Then from your Sowget, you just withdraw straight to your bank account. So if you want to sell your USDT, what you just need to do is you come here. If you have an account on Sowget already, you can just click on this sign in button. But if this is your first time of using the platform, just click on this register button. Okay, so on the register page, just simply quickly enter your email password here, and just enter your bank details. I already have an account on Sowget, so I'll just simply log into my account to just do a transaction for you to see how to do this process very fast. In less than 3 minutes, you receive your money in your bank account. So let me just sign into my account on Sowget. Okay guys, I'm logged into my Sowget account here. Okay, so if I want to quickly sell my USDT, you just simply click on this top menu icon here. Just click on this one here. Okay, then you just simply come down here. You see where we wrote sell crypto. If you click on sell crypto, all right, now you can see this button here. It says USDT TRC20 to Naira. Okay, so just click on it. So you can see the message here. It says generate your USDT address. A unique address will be saved to your account and can be used many times. Okay, any USDT sent to the address will be auto credited to your Sowget wallet. So what you just need to do here, since we are doing this for the first time, okay, you just have to generate your USDT address. So just click on this generate button. Okay, the system says your USDT address has been generated successfully. Alright, that's nice. We'll just scroll down a bit. Okay, you can see this is the current rate that I told you at the time of this video tutorial. So that is the rate that I'll use in receiving my money. Okay, it says important, a unique USDT address is saved to your account, only sent to this address. Okay, that's normal. Any USDT sent to the address will be converted to Naira and auto credited. Okay, minimum order 5 USDT. Okay, so the minimum you can sell or trade on this Sowget platform for USDT is $5. Okay, so once you've done all, you just click on I have read and understand, then click on proceed. Oh, all right. Okay, you can see, so this is my USDT address which I can send money to, and the money will be credited to my wallet. So that's what I'll just do right away. So if I want to do it, I'll just simply copy my USDT address here. Then I'll just go to my Binance to send the USDT and my wallet to be credited. Okay, but before I do that, let me just go to my account dashboard again. Click on this account overview. Okay, I just want to show you my wallet balance. You can see now that my balance is 0.0 Naira. So once the transaction is done, you will see that the Naira will be credited to my wallet balance. So let me just go back. Let's go back to sell crypto, then click on USDT TRC20 to Naira. Okay, so just click on I have read and understand. I click on proceed. Just copy it here. So I've copied the address like that. I'll just go to my Binance here. Okay, so I just enter the address there. Guys, so I have sent 51 USDT. Okay, that's actually 50 USDT because Binance will take $1 from the money as the network fee. So I'll just simply wait for Binance to approve my withdrawal. Okay guys, I just got email now from Binance that my withdrawal USDT has been approved. So you can see this is the transaction, $50 completed. So let me go to my Sowget. I believe that by now it should have been credited to my Sowget. So I just go back to my account overview here, which my account dashboard. All right, you can see it's instant, very fast, 78,000 Naira. And you can just simply do the maths. If we just do the maths, 50 times 1560, you can see exactly 78,000 Naira was credited to my wallet. So there are no other charges or deduction. What the next thing you need to just do is just simply to cash out to your bank account very fast. So just click on Withdraw Naira button here. Okay, so you can see this is my wallet balance, 78,000 Naira. Okay, so what I'll just simply do, let me just withdraw my money to my bank account. All right, so you can see at the page here it says destination account. Just select it. So I just take my Zenith Bank here. So how much am I withdrawing? Okay, let me just withdraw all of my money. Just take 78,000 Naira. Okay, 78, then just click on proceed. Okay, so you can see proceed. Okay, so you can see withdrawal preview, amount requested 78,000 Naira, bank transfer fee. Okay, they take bank transfer fee 100 Naira. So amount payable 77,900. So I'll just click on withdraw now. Okay, it says withdrawal completed successfully. All right, okay, you can see my wallet balance now is 0.0 Naira. Okay, so let me just wait a bit. I believe the alert will come any moment from now. Okay, let me go to my dashboard, account overview. Okay guys, you can see I just got alert from Zenith Bank there. Okay guys, so you can see I just received my alert from Zenith Bank. You can see the screenshot is on the screen there. It took within let me say 3 minutes. Okay, so that is just how you can instantly sell or trade your USDT to receive Naira to your bank account. So this is the platform guys, Sowget.com. So guys, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about the platform. So thank you for your time guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.